And we've got lots of compression there, so that's not a bad start. Definitely one of the rust buckets. It's in the right yard, yeah. Just a little bit of rust. I mean, who doesn't love a little bit of rust, eh? That's not too bad. Hi guys, look what we just brought back. Hey? As if we didn't have enough headaches. Got a 1996 Polaris 6x6. Right? Another rust bucket arrives home. Haven't really done anything yet guys, I haven't got into it, so there's lots of cleaning up to be done. Lots and lots. I thought I'd give you a whiz round just to see what we're up against. It's not locked up anyway, and that's a bonus. So, and we've got lots of compression there, so that's not a bad start. Can't get our shifter at the minute, but it's got most of its controls. Everything is just seized up, really seized up, yeah. You know, all the discs. I've just put these plastics together here and put the seat on, you know, makes it look beautiful. Yeah, it needs lots and lots of love. Definitely one of the rust buckets. It's in the right yard. Yeah. It's home where it needs to be, where it'll get love. Okay guys, we've been scrubbing for a couple of days. It's looking a bit better. Haven't really power hosed it yet, just that bed is in a bad way. I'll show you the bed. Oh, oh my god. Just a little bit of rust, guys. Just a little bit of rust. I mean, who doesn't love a little bit of rust, eh? That's not too bad. We can fix that. We can fix that. Yeah. There's a gear linkage. Yeah. Choke. Gotta get a key. All-wheel drive. Throttle still seized up. Brakes still. WD-40 soaking into them. Are still locked up. This is the choke. Still not doing anything. So lots of WD-40 on it, yeah. Just loosening it all out. Got a tail light. Number plate goes up there. Yeah. And that's it, guys. There's a walk around. One day. We'll get a shopping list together, so we're going to write down some stuff. It'll need a battery, which goes in here. Need a battery. And I've got a seat and stuff. It's just cleaned it up. Yeah, doesn't look too bad now. That's it, guys.